Hey everyone, so I just finished working out and today is Sunday and I'm pretty bored. So I thought why not do something which I can vlog about. So I'll be cooking biryani today and this recipe I got from my mother and we love this recipe. So this is half a kg of onions. I'm deep frying it for barista. This is the first step and I'm going to use 2 kg of rice. So it's done. This is the time you will know it is done. So I'm going to quickly remove it from the pan. I'm going to put the garam masala in. So quickly I'm going to add the potatoes. I'm going to fry these. So I am adding 50 grams of sliced onions to it. This is a quick reminder. I have fried the potatoes and added some sliced onions and I'm frying it together. We'll add in the chicken in here also. Just 2-3 minutes. This is the marinated chicken. I've marinated it with ginger paste, garlic paste, chili paste, some black pepper and curd. Okay, I'll put the proportion and quantity and everything in the description box. If you want to check it out, you can check. So I'm removing the aloo from the pan. It's almost done. So I'm putting a spoon of red chili powder. Actually 2 spoons of red chili powder. It gives a nice color. Then we'll quickly add the chicken. Which we marinated for 1 to 2 hours. When it's halfly done, the chicken will be done. So I'm going to add in the alus again and cook it together for the better taste. Not all of the people do it, but my mother does it like this way. So that is it. It will going to cook for half an hour to 45 minutes. Quick check to the chicken. Okay, it's simmering and it will simmer in a high flame until it separates its oil. Okay, and it will take like 45 minutes to 1 hour approx. So I'll do it in high flame only. If you need, you can slow your flame a bit in the middle of the process. So I'm going to put the lid. So you have to stir it every 5 minutes because it's on high flame. Now it's almost done. So I'll need to add in some milk. We haven't added any water or milk right now. So we are going to add some milk. It's half a liter of a packet. We are going to pour in everything. So it is going to cook. Adding a half a liter of water. So half liter of milk, half liter of water. Okay. And this is going to simmer and cook it. So I'm adding the potatoes again. Not everybody does this way, but my mother does it. Okay. half liter of milk, half liter of water, and again the potatoes are in the same pan with chicken. Okay, this is going to cook for half an hour to 45 minutes, and we are going to cover the lid. It looks after 15 to 20 minutes. Rose water, I'm adding in some rose water, 2 tablespoons. Now some Keora water, 1.5 tablespoons. So you can see this is a not one-man job. We need help. Now my mother is quickly going to add some biryani masala. You can totally get it from any store. No, any biryani stuff store. She's adding in 2 tablespoons of biryani masala, and we are quickly going to stir it well. That is it, and this will again cook for like 15 to 20 minutes. Then we can say cooking for 15 to 20 minutes. You can see we have cooked it separately. This is how it is done. Now we are adding some bay leaves and garam masalas and 1 tablespoon of salt.
Adding 1 handful of mawa and half tablespoon of meetha atar.
So welcome back. It's been cooking for 50 minutes to 1 hour, so it's almost done. We have added some salt and black pepper to taste. If you need that, you can add in. And please.
So this is the final preparation before the main cooking. So here we have some khoya kheer, some fried onions that we made before, some aloo bukharas, and here is the milk with saffron in it. I have added some gulab jal and keora jal to it. You can use food coloring, which is for biryani color. Otherwise you can use saffron, some garam masalas, and some ghee.
You can see this is the preparation. We have placed a layer of rice first, and then the chicken with aloo.
On top of the chicken, she's adding some khoya kheer, some aloo bukharas randomly, and some fried onions which we prepared before. Just be generous with it. She is adding some biryani masala on top of it. Okay,
2 big spoon of gravy, so it will bring the flavor. Actually she's putting 3 spoons of gravy, another layer of rice on top, okay. Again we are putting the khoya kheer on top. So this is the second layer of khoya kheer, and again the plums, I mean the aloo bukharas and baristas. দাও না, রাফলি দাও, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। Okay, again the biryani masala on top. So basically the same process we are repeating again. Here now we are putting the milk water you can put kesar or you can go for food coloring, which is available very easily and does nothing difference. Kesar tastes better, but it is optional. Finally, some ghee on top of everything. This looks amazing. So this is the final step of cooking. My mother added some gravy on top, which gives a better flavor than usual. Then I forgot to add some eggs, which I added now. Then I'm going to close the lid and put something heavy on top, which I'm going to do it later. So you will have to cook it in high flame for 5 to 7 minutes, and then you have to slow down the flame. Okay, this will simmer for half an hour in slow flame. Okay.
Some salad and raita to eat with the biryani. So guys, this is how it looks, and to be honest, it was very difficult for me to cook and shoot both at the same time, and I wasn't prepared for it, but I hope you like it. Hey guys, that was it for me cooking my favorite biryani. If you really enjoyed this video, then do like and subscribe, which motivates me a lot, trust me. Okay, so please do that and watch me again. Okay, goodbye.